some of the cards I drew. Otra vez. Dance in the forest, dancing by nature, by water. Someone likes to upcycle, got a unique sense of style, very creative. Ooh, you can spin straw into gold. Like once you get something, once you have something, once you see something, you know how to multiply it, how to make the value of it that was always there be upcycled, be upgraded. Very creative. Midas touch, they say. Gone through challenges. Oh, look. Yet you got help, though. You always got help, and ones who came before you. Forest again. Mira. Dancing in the forest. Emotional balance. Yes. Right place. Right timing. Where you can be calm. Become. Be purified. Pure heart. Your innocence. It's beautiful. Again. Yeah, life experiences. Ah, wow. Under fire. You got dragon power now. Let's see what happens here. Bay leaf is key for someone. Energy speaks louder than words. Someone's getting an angel investor, or is an angel investor, investing in an earth angel. Someone's leveling up. Hands up. Oh, someone took a bribe, got carried away, impulsive, careless, reckless, and now special offer. Oh, cleaner. Cleanup crew is there. The farmer planting new seeds. You know how to create abundance. Someone likes cats. It's cozy like a little kitten. Cat with kittens. Safety. Safe space. Stealthy. The cat is also a lion or a lioness. Sweet surprise coming in for who matches this? A farmer. Someone who loves nature. Oh, here it is. Hotel room. Hotel room free. Cosmic cash. Wow. So once this matches you, nothing can get tech from you. This is not that kind of realm. All of these readings are energetically encoded, encrypted to find and pair with who matches it in energy and frequency. These can get taken from you. 5 people who have mixed signals. That's not for you. This is customized, a sweet surprise, balance that will bring balance, stability, growth. Okay, that person is a scammer, that one. So someone was scammed. Oh wow, they tried to nip your destiny and inherited what you overcame. Wow, and overcome. Wow, isn't that an awakening experience? Cosmic crew. Wow. Wow, someone tried to nip your destiny, dude. Again, angel investor. A mango leaf just dropped. DNA protons upgrading. This is not medical advice. This is energetic truth. I channeled them through these cards to the frequency of love. They're all love infused. They're all for the highest good of all who match it in frequency. As you tune your energy responds and sings to your body through your blood, your bones, your breath, your being. And so that's how things that people call glow up happen without much or any effort. That's how healthy, balanced weight loss or weight gain, depending on your stature and your best design, happens without extreme effort. Because when you shift your energy for the better inside, your energy shifts your being, your vibration, your body, your cells, your breath for the better, for your highest good. And that's seen in the physical, like energy upcycle. And that's how you become something even more brilliant than what you were seen as or deemed as worth, which is straw. People don't see its value. And they see it as gold, like hair. When we see it as threads, you see it as threads, golden threads, or you see it as a nest, depending on your perspective. Oshun, abundance, with the gold right here. Abundance, sweetness of life. Ah, wow, very, very high reader. Gifted with beauty, song, fertility, creativity, and a kind of justice you want to be on the right side of. Sweetness, abundance of all good things. Dance. Sacred beauty, self-love, communal love. With integrity, communal love, soul family. Proper, so be prepared. Smile often, laugh loudly, love truly. Tune your living skills. You make wise decisions. Breath, Ori, and you're a treasure. You see? Consistent, discipline. And this is here for you. Cornucopia. Balanced. The kingdom within. The queendom within. The most high within. Look how this is naturally flowing right here. Candles. Sunstar. Wow. Yeah. Confirmation. Divine nature. You got serious love and protection and coverage. Divine nature. Cosmic crew. Sunflowers. Shown again. Abundance of all good. It's beautiful. Remember when you can, when you're called, when you know it's right. Bare feet on the earth, breath. Help you alchemize what needs to be alchemized, tune what needs to be tuned, detox, recharge, refresh. The same way you set the phone on the charger is the same way you set your feet or your hands, your feet and your hands, on the earth. And if those are not there in the physical, set your chest. If not in the physical and that's a challenge, set your eyes. If that's a challenge, set your breath. Connect with nature. Reconnect with nature. Someone who had a connection, has had a connection, has a connection from small. Deep, very deep. Soul family. Joy. Music, dance, safety, incense, and the faith. Again, you are a genuine treasure, not an option. Now you know, and they know for sure. Out of this world. Yes, you are. Out of this world. Something about a deep blue car. Someone's gonna see a deep blue tone car. You're flourishing. Divine nature, you're flourishing in your divine nature. Yeah, you really love nature. Mira la naturaleza. Toda parte. Wow. Look at the cosmic cash here. Look at the cosmic cash there. Goddess of love. Encore fois, goddesses of love. Reading, beauty, balance, power of touch, love, joy, art, music, dance, justice. Happy Empress and Emperor. Energetic Reparations Day. Get fired up. Iramo, right? Bam, 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 bam. Shots fired energetically. And you receive